Imagine people who see the possibilities that others don't. Imagine that you could combine conserving the environment with saving energy. With progress firmly in sight, they had tackled the problem and transformed the idea into reality. The result is by far the most effective solution for heat recovery from refrigeration plants. Welcome to the world of Friotec. As is often the case, in the beginning there was an idea of recovering waste heat from refrigeration plants, storing it and reusing it elsewhere. Thousands of hours of painstaking engineering, countless tests, the development and many years of experience led to the innovation. The Friotec system was born. It is kind of schizophrenic that we have to expend energy to generate cold and expend energy to generate heat. Why don't we take the waste heat from the refrigeration unit and make hot water with it? With Friotec, as the name says, Friotec, frio meaning cold, you can recover heat from cold. That is the distinct advantage. A refrigeration plant extracts heat from the frozen products. The Friotec system has been developed to efficiently utilize this otherwise unused energy in other areas of a company. You can utilize the recovered heat in a number of different ways, from backup for your heating system, heating water or fan heaters, to industrial use. The Friotec system is always of interest if we have a central refrigeration system available and if there is a need for hot water. Regardless of whether you intend to supplement your heating system or heat process water, the energy is there where it is needed. The main advantage of the Friotec system is that the waste heat is not wasted. This waste heat is normally blown out into the environment and we purposefully retrieve this heat. This helps to look after the environment and Friotec customers' budget too. That is yet another reason why more and more well-known companies are opting for a Friotec system. The Friotec system is suitable for all property managers who have a refrigeration unit and need hot water and heating. The cooling system should have an output of approximately 20 kilowatts or greater. Friotec is suitable for hotels, hospitals, restaurants, food manufacturers. The Friotec system is ideal wherever cold and heat is required in a building. Conserving the environment and thinking cost-effectively are no longer contradictions. Experiences with the Friotec system show that it runs without any problems. We have been running it since 2007 and we haven't had a single fault with the system. It fully meets our expectations. Our system works in such a way that the excess energy from the heat recovery is fed back into the heating circuit, and the additional heating only switches on when the external temperature is 0 to +1 degrees. Apart from that, we do not need any additional energy, and that is a huge saving. Friotec also helps to save electric power. The energy savings for a large hotel like this are in the 5-digit euro region. The compressor has to work less because it has already been provided with coolant, meaning an increase in efficiency and also significant energy savings. By using the Friotec system, we no longer have additional electricity costs for heating water, and we have hot water throughout the day. In addition to these massive energy savings, the refrigeration unit also benefits with the Friotec system. By using the Friotec system, the use of the cold gets more effective. We reduce the load on the compressor of the refrigeration units and increase the efficiency. This lowers the electric power consumption and increases the output capacity of the refrigeration unit. Friotec is the highly efficient system solution that makes it easier for you to save energy. Friotec automatically communicates with all components and provides the optimum use of energy in your business. By using the Friotec system, we have made an energy saving of approximately 60%, which is very impressive with such a system. We are highly satisfied with this system. Creating even more value and at the same time using fewer resources. Eco-efficiency has become today's hot topic. The efficiency of the Friotec system depends on the one hand on the energy supply and on the other hand on the energy consumption. In an optimal way, this could be 100%. The Friotec system is also winning due to its short payback period. We now know fairly precisely that the system pays for itself after 3 to 5 years. Friotec can easily be integrated into existing systems, improving its efficiency. And there's even more. In our experience, the best solution is to remove the installed recovery systems and to replace them with Friotec. This is significantly more efficient.
Und durch Friotec zu ersetzen, weil der Wirkungsgrad ein wesentlich höherer ist.
You'll benefit immediately with the installation of a Friotec system. Friotec systems need no pumps, with the result that you need less power and the likelihood of mechanical failure is reduced. You'll benefit from optimum temperature stratification, as all temperature ranges are fully utilized. You'll also have maximum possible protection against Legionella due to the hygienic heating of drinking water. No process water is stored in the Friotec system, thereby increasing health safety levels. And only with Friotec you can supplement your heating system and at the same time heat up process water. The development of the Friotec system was a challenge for all concerned. The core of the system, the Forstner heat storage vessel, was planned, designed and produced with intensive research and engineering in the company's plant in Austria. With our experience spanning more than 40 years and our continuous development, we can meet the highest possible demands of Forstner. Highly qualified design and manufacturing staff work to precise specifications. That's why we guarantee the highest manufacturing quality of the Friotec storage vessels. Know-how in manufacturing, expertise in design, professionalism in advising. A discussion that the 4-star Maritime Hotel in Bonn engaged with, where the award-winning Friotec system has now been installed. We have been able to install the system here at the Maritime Hotel in Bonn, and after 6 months there was a big meeting to inspect it. The Friotec system was seen to work better than calculated, and it has made an excellent impression. The FrioHeat Corporation is Friotec's sales partner, specializing in the optimization of energy. The customer gives us their figures and tells us that they pay the amount X for electricity and heating, and we calculate the savings and the value of the recovered heat. With these figures, we can then say whether a project is worth it or not. And in most cases, Friotec pays for itself. Because with the Save Now Contracting, property managers can make 6-digit energy savings without any investment. With the Save Now Contracting, property managers save the maximum heating, energy and electricity costs immediately after signing the contract, with zero investment costs, and no longer have to concern themselves with increasing energy costs for as long as they wish. 6-digit savings are not uncommon with Save Now Contracting. The future belongs to Friotec. Because with the Friotec system, the available potential energy can be used twice. Experts say that the market volume of unused waste heat from cooling systems in Germany is around 15 billion euros. You can see from this figure how promising the system is. We all have to work hard to recover the heat. As we all know, energy is becoming more expensive. Environmental pollution and climate change are clear evidence that we need to adopt a new approach. Did you know that if a Friotec system was installed in only 15% of refrigeration plants in Germany, up to 3 nuclear reactors could be taken off-grid? Perhaps these were the sort of figures that persuaded the Energy Globe jury. The world's most important and prestigious environmental prize, the Energy Globe, was presented to Maximilian Forstner and Jörg Haagleitner. The Energy Globe was an important accolade for us, but for the first time we were really being taken seriously in the industry. I think it confirms that we are on the right track.
Der Energy Globe war für uns und ist für uns.
The Energy Globe is a great award for us for our collective development work, and we have thereby gained an award for the environmental readiness of this system.
Wir haben dadurch auch eine Auszeichnung bekommen für die Umweltfreundlichkeit dieses Systems.
It confirms once again that we've embarked on the right path and that this system has the greatest potential. Could you have ever believed that the Friotec system would offer so much, and that mankind and the environment would benefit from it? We recognized the needs of consumers and delivered an award-winning and resource-saving solution that saves money and, above all, conserves the environment. Friotec.